Okay, here we go. Good morning and welcome to Ewetopia Farms. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. No more bad stuff. So let's walk in the barn and see what happened last night. Okay, so we're in with Kevin and Karen. These two are looking happy again. I know when you post things, you tend to only see the bad stuff. I was just thinking as I was filling water bowls that we have these two that are bottle babies. The mom prolapsed. We couldn't keep it in with a spoon, and she eventually died. Then we have those two black ones where the mom, I don't know what's going on there. I'm going to go look at them, but Arnie said they were nursing last night. So something funny there with those guys. But then I think about right now we have about 60 lambs on the ground. And if you go do percentages and numbers, we're really doing pretty good. It's just amazing how the things that go bad put a disproportionate bad feeling on your day. You tend to overlook all the successes and ones that did fantastic, like these guys over here. So today we're going to be positive. Everything's looking good today. We just started, and we're going to move some lambs over, so that'll be nice for them. So these are the two problem black lambs. Arnie said they look better today. I just tubed the darker black one again, and the lighter one, he's nibbling at hay and stuff, but they still look crouchy, crunchy, just not right to me. Don't trust it at all. That's how people look at things differently. I would say that there is something funny with them still. And there he is, going towards the nipple. She walked away. I don't know. Don't trust them at all. Not at all. But aside from those two, everyone in these jugs is looking, they make me happy. They look extremely good. And a whole bunch of these guys are going to go out there. I just fed you guys. You're great. You're great. So a whole bunch are going to be moved into this pen today, because this pen is going over to the coveralls this morning. So we set up a little entrapment area, and we put all the lambs in here, and then we load the lambs into the front portion of the trailer. Then we open the gate, and usually all the mums go running onto the trailer to be with their lambs, and then we drive them over. In the summer, you've seen us do it. We walk them over. But if you look out here, it is too icy, and the risk of lambs getting trampled and stuff is way higher. So we find it easier to just load them in the trailer and off they go, and everyone's safe. And these pens are looking a little crowded. These are the ones that came over yesterday. These would be from, who are they from? They're from Hellboy and from Hitman's group. Because it wasn't icy yesterday, we thought just do it, because you never know what the weather has in store. And the groups that were over here, we rotated and put them into this barn, combined them in with the groups that were here, because a whole bunch had lambed out. So on the white side, there's a few lambs that can't eat all at the same time. But I think only 4 can't fit in the feeder, and we have food in the troughs 24/7. So they just have to wait, and once a couple of them have lambed, then it's everyone's got space. but it's always juggling. So anyway, I'm gonna check the salt and mineral feeders in this barn and the drinkers and head over to the coverall. Okay, this is really loud. We've separated the lambs out from and put them in a little catch area. And the moms are all upset. They're over here. And we're getting ready to load them into the trailer. So we manually lifted all the little lambs in. And we put them behind the gate. And then we have a little ramp here. On most days, all the ewes will run right up here to their lambs. So, and this load's a little different because there's one open ewe in here. I don't, if you remember her right at the beginning, what did she do? I think she rejected her lamb. So, she may be harder to get in, we'll see. She may just run in with the group. But we gotta offload her in a different pen, so it's gonna be a little different than a normal load would go. All it takes is one not to go up and they all do it. There's always one. There we go. And they're all loaded. And this is how we do it. So we're going to drop this one ewe off in a field with our replacement ewe lambs. Okay, so all this... Oh, watch her. Watch it. Ben, come here, Ben. Ben? Get out, Ben. And they're offloaded. Sometimes we just let them walk off, but sometimes we just lift them off. This time we lifted them off. So these guys will be getting 1/4 of the barn. So we're going to put a divider wall up. You don't want it too big at this age in case moms do wander off from lambs or vice versa. So we cut it in 1/4. Still a very big pen. And you see a stress response for moms and lambs is to go nurse. So you can see that most of them are seeking comfort from their moms right now because that was a little stressful for them. But they're gonna like this barn much better than the lambing barn. These coveralls, although they're a lot colder, they're a lot fresher and airy and just a healthier environment for the ewes and lambs to be in. So as soon as we feel the lambs are bonded with their parents, we bring them here right away. We were delayed a little bit with this group because we had an excess of sheep on this side still. breeding groups that weren't ready to come over yet because the barn over there was full. But normally they're out here within a week or so. It's not a lot. Sometimes it's even just a couple of days.
Malty, oh, look at these guys nibbling on us, Malty.
Well, they're wondering what that is, eh? And yeah, they love to find your zippers.
Oh my gosh, they know. Just here, you give me one big smile, Mom. Oh.
So startled them.
What?
Oh, maybe someone, maybe. They'll come back. So today we have visitors. Don't want to bring them into the lambing barn because it's confined and we have COVID issues. So, but in the coveralls they're nice and bright and open. So it's a good chance for them to meet the boys. They know that they're strangers, but they're still being friendly. Oh, now he's gonna run off.
Guys, these are so beautiful. This one really likes you.
And did you know that if you weren't on the box, the lambs play on the box?
They play on the box? Hugo, did you hear that?
You gotta watch some of the videos. You'll see them playing on the box.
We'll have to go look.
They love the box.
I wonder, Malty, so you would have to drive these wherever you go. I'm sure they probably don't want to play. Oh my gosh.
People have flown them.
Is he giving you full kisses?
Yeah, they're little humans, aren't they? Yeah. What are they?
Hugo, they don't wear diapers.
Hey, you guys. What do you think?
No.
What do you think? Oh, it's okay. Oh, now this is this is the example of sheep behavior. Sheep don't like to be alone. This one's gonna panic now. So what we're gonna do?
We're gonna
move this way.
We're gonna all move out of the way so he can get back to his friends, Malty. Oh, they don't like to be alone. Wow.
Flock animals. And
the hair will level down and come off a little bit, and the wool actually will increase.
But this guy, he's about 2 days old now.
2 days old. And you can go up and look at him. Look at his little
He's hungry.
Yeah, they are.
But every day the farm's a challenge. And without the challenge,
no. She's gonna want to take him home.
Well, come on, you.
Hey guys, we should go. Gotta give him back.
Kevin, are you making friends with everyone?
I do get burnt out sometimes.
You guys are going to be on YouTube.
What?
Tomorrow, you'll have to turn on the YouTube and you'll see you holding Kevin. Okay, a little bit of mayhem in the lamb barn right now. We put, We put clean straw down in the pens, which is always exciting. We just released a whole bunch into the new Suffolk pen. So that takes a little bit of bonding, and of course one lamb in there is so happy to be in that pen. It's running back and forth. Hi, is that fun? Oh, and it's my little character too. Oh no. And the mom is just so upset because she's trying to keep an eye on her. But she just can't keep up with it. So she's chasing back and forth around the pen with it. So, we're catching up on all the ones that I had tagged, but we hadn't trimmed and gotten ready to go out because we were on hold because that pen was full, and if it gets too full, problems happen. So We only usually release a couple at a time, but we got 5 new ones in there. We got one in the holding pen here that's going to go out once it calms down. And then these twins, when this one goes out, these ones will replace her in this big pen. But if you can see how happy they are to be out of the jugs, the lambs are running around. There's a lot of crying because they're nervous, but there's a lot of happy bouncing going on too. So we're gonna do these twins, and we got one more single, I think, to get ready to go in. And this group will be going over to join the other lambs in the coverall that we brought over this morning, probably in a couple of days. So, because these pens are so full, it's another straw day for these girls. Supposed to be getting -20s coming in shortly, but today it's a nice day. It's minus 4, I think it is today, which actually feels quite nice. So this is the last of the ewes into the group pen for today. She's coming down the line of pride with our big, beautiful lamb. And see how they stick close together? That's a good sign. Okay, we're heading home from another day's work. Tired. Everyone seems all right tonight though, and a lot of lambs are in new places and are happy with that. So I guess we'll say goodnight tonight and see you again in the morning. Bye for now.